All right, we have some great Wednesday birthdays to celebrate, and we are starting in St. Paul with Maxon King, turning the big 6 today. Happy birthday, Maxon, and this comes with love from Papa and Grandma.
And down in Knoll, we have a 10th birthday to celebrate with Bladen Pickle, with love from the family. Happy birthday, Bladen.
And we've got John Morgan celebrating birthday number 10 in Pittsburgh. John, also known as JC, and this comes with love from the family, so a very happy birthday to you, JC.
All right, Harley Hudson celebrating birthday number 11 today. Harley is in Carthage with love from Mom, Dad, Bub, and your sisters.
And we've got Kiana Smith celebrating birthday number 13 in Jasper today. A very happy birthday to you, Kiana.
All right, and Craig Elliott celebrating birthday number 24 this year in Erie. That is him on the left with love from the family. And if Craig is celebrating, he's on the left. On the right, we have Craig's younger brother, Cody, who's 16 years old. How cool, they share a birthday. 24 and 16 with love from the family.
Very cool. We've got Kristen Segars turning 41 in Sarcoxy, and this comes with this happy birthday wish comes from your favorite coworker, Katie. So hopefully Katie's got something special for you today. Kristen, a very happy birthday to you in Sarcoxy.
All right, Chuck Miserel turning number 66 in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Chuck.
And we've got Narita OToole turning 75 in McCune. And Narita absolutely loves her garden and her flowers, and they're going to love the rain that's on the way. A very happy birthday to you, Narita.
All right, Lakin Westhoff celebrating a birthday in St. Paul today. Hope you have a wonderful day, Lakin.
And we've got a very special birthday here as Mary Holt in Columbus turns 103 years young. Mary, don't know what your secret is, but a very, very happy 103rd birthday to you.
And I think she was trying to keep this under the wraps, but we know now. Brit Stack, our news director here at KOAM. We love you, and we hope you have a wonderful day today.
Yeah, see, the people who work here try and hide their birthdays, but what they forget is their birthdays are part of our information in the system, and we have a great crew here who figures that out. Well, it has to be. Tanya made a face. It's not like it's top secret. Any job you have to put all that information in. We have to make sure that Brit's old enough to work here, right?
Mm-hmm. But we're not going to tell people how old.
No. That part is under wraps. That is our little secret. Very happy birthday to you, Brit. We also have on our list Justice Ganaway celebrating in Columbus along with Sam Thomas. We've got Dakota Rusk turning 27. This comes with love from Mom and Dad. And last but certainly not least, Madeline Coons in Columbus also celebrating a birthday as well. A happy birthday to you. And if you want to get your birthday on there, Tanya's got some information for you.
That's right. You can send them to birthdayswithanus at KOAMTV.com or use the email birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com. Make sure you send in all your information, including a name and the day of the birthday. And if you need it to air on a specific day, please let us know. And include the age as well, if you would like, and a picture.
Make sure you do that. And while you're at our website, checking out the latest news, weather, and sports, go ahead and click on the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. You can get signed up for that, get some special deals from local businesses, and a little happy birthday message from us. Just go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club.